Hey everyone, this is Sultan with MailMint, and today I'm going to show you a very important feature for marketers, lead magnets. With MailMint, you can organize your lead magnets in one place and then use them in emails, in automation workflows, or offer them anywhere on your website to collect leads. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that within WordPress. So let's begin. Now, as you can see, I'm on my MailMint dashboard. So the first thing you do is go to settings. And here below you will see this option called lead magnets. So click on that and you will see this window. So what you'll do is you'll click on add lead magnet and it will allow you to upload any lead magnet. It could be a PDF, it could be a document, or it could be a video. Whichever one you want to offer as lead magnet, you can upload over here. So let's click on add lead magnet, and here you can see that you can give a title to it, a small description, and then upload it. So I'm gonna offer a lead magnet on brand governance. All right, so this is it, and I'm gonna offer this in PDF format. So here I'm just gonna say offer its PDF as lead magnet. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on upload, and it will take me to the media folder, and there I'm just gonna drag and drop the PDF I have from PC into the media folder, and it's uploaded. So I'll add this, and there you go, this is uploaded. You can see a link is generated for it as well, and I'll just save this. So now this is saved. So if I go back to the lead magnets main window, you can see that this is listed here. I can add more lead magnets and list them over here, so I'll have a track of everything that I have uploaded as lead magnets. You know, searching things from the media folder is really difficult. Keeping them organized is pretty easy. And then what you can do is you can copy this link and then place it anywhere you want for people to click and download. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a whole process where I'm going to collect the leads. So here's what I did. I used MailMint's form builder to create a form to collect the leads. Let me show you. So this is the form I created, and this is going to be presented to anyone who visits my website from time to time. Let me show you. There you go. So I'm on a page, and you can see that this form has popped up, and whenever someone will sign up, they'll be added to a specific list. Now what will happen after that? What I've set up is an automation where after someone opts in to this form, they're going to be sent a special email. So what I've done is I've created an automation workflow in MailMint. To do that, all you need to do is go to MailMint's automations and then create a new automation. So you can see that this is what I've created. I have used the trigger of form submitted, and I've selected the form I just created, I just showed you. And after that, I have selected to send an email. Okay, so in this email, I'll be sending out the lead magnet. You can see I've already set it up with the proper subject line, a preview text, and I've also added an email template. Let me show you. I'll click on edit template, and there you go. This is a quick template. I know this doesn't look as aesthetic as you want, but you can customize the whole thing. This is a drag and drop builder, and you have full control over how you want to design this whole email. So what I'm going to do is that in this email on the button, I'm going to link the lead magnets that I just created. I have copied the link already. I'm going to paste the link here, and then I'm going to click on next, and there you go. Now my email is ready. So now what I have is I have created a form to collect leads. From there, the contact details will be added to MailMint. At the same time, an automation workflow will be triggered, and an email will be sent with a link to the lead magnet. So I've just uploaded the lead magnet a few minutes ago. I've shown you how I've placed it in the email, and now this is going to be automatically sent to the user. So let me just start this workflow, which will mean that this automation is now active. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the whole process in action. Let's go back to the page where I have the form appeared. All right, and let's just submit a form with my own details. All right, so let's just click on get the framework now, and there you go, the form was submitted. Now let's go to MailMint. Okay, so now let's go to MailMint and see that if my contact has been added in the contact list. So let's go back and let's go to contacts, and there you go. You can see that my contact has been added at last just now, and it's been added to a specific list, brand framework. Now why I have been added to this list? It's because this is the list I've assigned in the form I created. So let me show you. Let's go to the form that I edited a few minutes ago, and let's show you that list I've assigned the emails to. You can see that anybody who submits this form will be added to this list, brand framework. So That's why I have been added to that particular list. But I've also created that automation workflow which should be triggered when that form is submitted. So let's go to that automation workflow and let's refresh the page. And now let's look at the stat. And you can see that one person has entered automation and that person has been sent out an email. All right. Now, since this is a test site, I haven't genuinely set up an SMTP to send out the email to me. But what I've done is that I've created a test environment for SMTP using Fluent SMTP so that it shows that this email has been sent. And over there, I have enabled logs so that I can see if the email is actually being sent. So let's go ahead and look at Fluent SMTP. Let's go to settings and go to Fluent SMTP. And here, let's go to email logs. And you can see this is the email that I'm supposed to get. Here's your brand governance framework. It is failed because I didn't, allow SMTP to be sent out. So let's just take a look at this email. You can see this is the email. And now if I click on download now from this, you can see that my lead magnet has just been downloaded. So when this email would be sent out to the inbox, the user would also get the same email and they'll be able to click on this button and download it. All right. So that's it. That's how easy it is. You can use MailMint's lead magnets feature and then create this whole process where you offer a lead magnet via an opt-in form and then send out an automated email and then allow user to download this lead magnet easily with just a click. Okay. And you have all that in one organized place. And also you can combine this with MailMint's link trigger features to track how many people are actually downloading it, and get an understanding of how popular this lead magnet is for you. And obviously this is specifically used to segment the users. Now that you have people who are interested in this, you should be planning the follow-up emails and planning more funnels for them so that you can convert them into one of your high-end products. Okay. And obviously there is other ways of using this. If you want, you can use WP funnels to create a complete funnel where you offer a lead magnet and from there you run the automation and you can link this lead magnet in those automated emails as well. All right. So you have full control in all of this easily from MailMint, and if you're using WP funnels, then there as well. Okay. So go ahead and start using lead magnets and you use this whole process to collect leads and start growing your business. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Take care.